बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद व बारिक वसल्लिम। Viewers, today we are going to share very authentic, unique, easy and tasty recipe how to make mutton seekh kebab. To start with the recipe, we have taken about 850 gram boneless mutton and we cut the mutton in small pieces so that we can make mince from this boneless mutton. To make the mince, we put the mutton pieces in the chopper and we need to start the chopper at high speed for about 1.5 minutes. After this, we'll just shuffle the meat so that our mince should become equal in all the sides, and then we will start again after shuffling for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. So just in about 2 to 3 minutes our mince will be ready from the mutton, and it will not be too much finely sliced and it will not be too much thick in slices. After preparing with the mince, we will put the mince in the bowl and then we need to prepare onion in the chopper, and we will take 60% in weight of the mince for the onion. So we have taken around 500 gram onion to chop it. And just chopping it for 15 seconds in high speed, our finely chopped onion will be ready. And then we will take the onion to squeeze its water. To squeeze the water, we can use a strainer, a cloth, or maybe with hands. After squeezing the water, we will throw away the water and we will put the onion into the mince, and we will make it ensure that there will be no water in the onion. After adding onion to the mince, we will add a teaspoon garlic paste and a teaspoon clarified butter or desi ghee. It should be cold, not in the melted form. And then we will add 2 teaspoons salt, and then we will add 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon anise seeds or ajwain, one teaspoon black pepper powder, and then we will add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 or half teaspoon ginger powder, and 1.5 teaspoon flour. After adding all these things, we will start to mix it. And we will mix it very well for about 5 minutes so that it should form into a dough. When it is formed into a dough having a hard texture, we will transfer it to the airtight container so that the spices and the onion we added to the mince can be settled down. To settle down it and to make it cold, we will put it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. And after 1 hour, we will take it out from the refrigerator, and now it have become good enough tough and cold, and the spices and onion are also settled. To put it on the iron bars, we will take a little cold water and wet our hands with the cold water and make a small bowl from the mince and just spread it out on the iron equally so that it can form a very nice and compact shape of the Seekh kebab on the iron bar. We will just press it with little water on our hands and just spread it out equally on the iron bar. So in this way we will prepare all our Seekh kebabs with the help of iron bars, and our every Seekh kebab weight can be 50 gram. That is the standard weight, but here we will increase its weight like about 150 gram, and from this 850 gram means we will prepare about 11 to 12 Seekh kebabs. And if we follow the standard weight of 50 gram each, we can prepare about 17 to 18 kebabs. After putting them on the iron bars, we will put it in the preheated oven at 250 centigrade for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't have oven, you can steak them in a frying pan on the stove. Otherwise, they can be good in the oven. We'll take them out from the oven after 15 minutes, and we'll just put some oil on the kebabs so that they should become more oily and should not become dry. And with the help of oil, their color will become very good in a golden brown shape. After putting oil on them, we'll put it back in the oven for about another 10 minutes, and then we will take it out from the oven, as now their one side is cooked, and to cook them from the other side, we will take them off from the iron bars and we'll just turn their sides and put some oil so that the other side should also become golden brown. Then we will put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. To cook them on the other side. And then after about 10 minutes we will take them out from the oven, and our mutton seekh kebabs are ready with very unique aroma and very good color and shape, and we will dish them out and now they are ready to serve. Very nice golden brown color and very good texture and very soft to cut them. I wish you try it and eat them and enjoy them. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thanks